Right, I've already done this because basically the door lock broke, which I think I've fixed now, but it still locks. So basically, I'm going to show you the different modes in Samsung, and I'll have a couple notices. And when I say about the notices for my channel and videos and stuff, I'll put a timestamp, but make sure you watch or listen to all of it. So, normal service mode, press options delay and down with power on button, obviously to turn it on. It will come up with this. Then you can cycle through all the different things. Okay, but then otherwise, if you turn it to spin and back here, filling test, that's just voltage, that's pump, that's EcoBubble, then press that, so thingy test, heat test. It is starting to rain now. This will basically, I'll show you. So when it gets to 400, it will go to 400. And then, so in between 0 RPM and 400 it will stay there, but then in between 400 RPM and 800 RPM it will stay at 400, and so on. This is wash, so if you want it to fill, press that once for pre-wash, obviously voltage. That's pump, and then EcoBubble, heater. So if you want it to heat to like 20 or 30, you want it to press multiple times. And then if you like just press it, I'll show you. It'll come up with the EcoBubble anyway, and it will start tumbling each way. Then that way. That will do nothing because when you press it, it won't do anything. That's EOT, which is different service mode. I'll show you in a minute. And then that's just bunches of numbers to get back to the top. Show you all service mode, the other service mode now. So you go press down, spin, options, delay in, power on. We'll come up with this. Then 4C, OE, and EOT. Basically, this is just slightly different. So, yeah. Hopefully it won't break the door lock this time. Oh, there we go. So that's just tumbling. I think that's just tumbling. Yeah, those don't do anything. So that's one tumble. That's EcoBubble. It won't seem to tumble on that one. Then that's tumbling both ways, like the other one. Then this is... oh, nothing actually, it just comes up with that again. I think the one where the EcoBubble clicked on, that might have been pump, and it tumbles with the pump. Or actually, wait. Yeah, so that will basically tumble for main wash whilst the door unlocks. Okay, so basically that's what the second service mode does. Let's turn it on normally. If you hold down temp and options, it'll come up with OE, which then just comes up with numbers. Don't know what they stand for, but baby care is RPM. So when I spin the drum, it will go up. One of these is temperature. I think quick washes are 15.6 at the moment in general. Oh yeah, and then that's that's just blank. That says EcoBubble is on, just loads of things. Yeah, but then the last one is eco bubble test. We come up with that. Press start. It would kick the eco bubble generator on with an 80 RPM spin wash. Oh yeah, and you have to press spin for it to actually then, the spin button, for it to start tumbling. That actually reminds me of my candy. Holding it like that. Anyway, yeah, that's different modes in Samsung. So just need to wait for the door to unlock now. Oh, sorry, it's a bit blurry. Jeez. The notices I'm saying are on my back. I've filmed nearly all the programs. I'm just gonna do downwear, full cycle, and synthetics with no options. Hopefully 60 or 40. And then after those two, I'll just do main wash clips of the loads I'm doing, because really that I have no need to do full wash cycles unless I want to, because I've filmed all the other ones. So you can request full cycle videos and I'll do them at some point, but really by choice I won't do much anymore. But I'll still make videos. I'm just saying that I've recorded mostly every cycle. So yeah, and that's just unlocked. So basically then you have to, there we go. Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.